In this video, I want to show you how to convert your Microsoft Word document into PowerPoint presentation. For instance, I have a document here, which is a Microsoft document. If I want to convert it to PowerPoint presentation, how do I do it? So to do it, the first thing to do is to highlight all the text in your document, just like this. Then come to this heading and pick heading 2, this heading 2. So when you turn all the text in the document into heading 2, then the next thing to do is to select the title of each section of your document. For instance, this section, I will select it. Scroll down, hold your control key and select this title or heading. Then move down and select this as well. Then this another heading or title. Select it. This another one. Just hold your control key and click here to select the headings. So after selecting all the headings, you can see all the headings. I've selected them all. Then click on heading 1. So what that means is that the body of each title is heading 2, while the title is heading 1. After you have done that, then come to this very icon called Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Click on it and a drop down will be open like this. Then click on More Commands. When it opens, there is an option that says Choose Command From. Now the default is Popular Commands. Now change it to All Commands. When you change it, all the commands available will be made visible here. Then scroll down to Send to PowerPoint. This is it. Come to this Send to PowerPoint. Highlight it and click on Add. So it will be added to this Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Then click on OK. Immediately you do that, the icon will be showing here, which is Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, to finally convert it to PowerPoint, come to this Send to Microsoft PowerPoint and click on it. Instantly, it will convert your Word document to PowerPoint presentation. You can see it, the first one, the second one, the third one. You can see it has converted it to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this is the easiest and quickest way of converting your Word documents to PowerPoint presentation. And from here, you can edit or add more to it as deemed fit to you. Thank you for watching.